my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul. You set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Set my soul on fire.
All right. Good morning, fam. All right. Let me check who we have here. Vase, Martin, AV, Mr. Wands, Omre, Tyler, Adams, Redempto, Johnny, Badman, HPY, Kishore, Ganesh, Omar. How you doing, my friend? Yasin, great to see you. Ronak, Dan, Raymond, Nadia, Sean, Kiyotaka, Trulioti, Habib, Latita, Nemo, Joe, Astro, Simon, Adil, Rolly, Steve, Morris. Welcome, my friends. Welcome. How you guys doing? Let me have a sip of my coffee here. Have you guys had the coffee already? For the people that maybe are in the morning right now, I know a lot of you guys are like 2 a.m. or something, so I'm not expecting to drink a coffee. Morning, Sando, Kiki, J-Lo. Let's freaking go, guys. Alright, gold, first of all, went crazy. Second of all, regardless, we are printing inside the VIP. Look at that, beautiful 93.2k in 6 days. Absolutely crazy in it. Killing it, everybody. Look at that. We had man killing it with the Dow Jones yesterday. 2 trades, not even one, just 2. Absolutely amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. Drahomir as always crushing it. This guy, look at that. He was there prepared, man, prepared. And then we had that massive Diddy candle to the upside. Look at that beautiful closure there. I'm gonna show it to you guys later as well. That we called out this potential push up here. But first of all, let's get into this one. So Alan, George, Darth, and Kit, great to see my friend. Miha, King, great to see you back, my friend. Samuel, Sandeep, Yankov, I know you were crushing it, my friend. I know, it's just expected from you. You always crushing it. Anyways, let's do a quick analysis on gold because I haven't looked at the chart as well. But we had that nasty week, nasty push up. So it did took out that daily supply with one daily candle just like that. Crazy. First of all, that's all I'm gonna say, crazy. But still in that monthly supply, don't forget monthly supply. And if you mark out the monthly supply week to body, look at that, it's very close to it. Where's monthly? There you go. And the monthly supply starts at 4537.9, so still not there yet, but it could reach. Let's refine it a little bit. We do have this weekly supply, very interesting too, that already got respected before from 20th of April, so around 4717 ish. And let's refine it a little bit more, see if we can catch it. There's a 3 daily supply, that is actually very nice. 3 daily supply, the daily supply as well aligns with that. So yeah, first of all, I want to see the monthly supply week to body, which is again at 40, let's say 4540 to make it easier. 4540, I want to see if there's going to be any sort of reaction or not, because if this one goes deeper, then yes, I will definitely mark out that 3 daily supply, this one, which is around 4640. So let's see what's gonna happen. So far we do have a new 3 daily demand as well, so in case it pulls back today at 4449, so this 3 daily demand. Weekly still not there yet because this one need to close. If this one closes like this, we will definitely have a new weekly demand. 3 daily is there. Daily, this one is not valid because this candle took out the low before pushing up, so I don't mark it as a valid demand. Beside that, yeah, I think I will just mark out the 3 daily demand. I think that's the most relevant at the moment, which is again at 4449. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame now. Let's see, whose birthday is that? All right, happy birthday, Alan. Yeah, I cannot decide that. Let's see if market's gonna give us opportunity. Anyways, let's see now. It did broke out of that range. We can mark out the whole range that it broke out of it, the thing that I was looking yesterday, and you can see the fixed value high is way lower, so I would prefer to just keep that previous weekly value high for now. And let me delete the Sunday open to keep it a little bit cleaner. So let's look back if there's going to be anything else around there as well. If there's going to be any early previous weekly level. I can already tell you that I like this range, first of all. because it got rejected. Let me look at this here. Fixed point of control, right? And look at this tab already, and here and here. I can tell you I already like that. Second, I'm gonna mark out the fixed value low as well. Boom. There we go. Why did I mark this one? Because I think if we close below this one, there's a better chance it could go for a pullback. Let me look at the valuation. Daily is still heavily overvalued. 12 hour, it's in the middle. 8 hour as well. 4 hour, heavily overvalued. We know when the 4 hour comes out of the valuation, it goes for a nice push after that. So in this case, if it comes out of the overvaluation, that's when I think the gold could start dropping. But that doesn't mean that it can't give us another push to the upside, which is possible. So in scenario that I would short, I would really like to see this 4 hour closure here. The next one opens up, swipe the highs aggressively, fails, come down, close below for a continuation. But if I'm going too long, I would really like to see the 4 hour closure around here. The bottom wick, swipe this previous 4 hour low and then start to push up. So either we long from the fixed value low at 45.08 or fixed point of control at 45.39.9. So that's why I'm still keeping these levels. And let me check the swing level as well, the whole move. Swing POC, swing value high, I think this is also very valid. So this could also pull back here before pushing higher, if this one is going to be more trendy today and keep this momentum to the upside, right? I think breaking below here, it could go for a pullback to the heuristic value high. Your yesterday's trade hit TV. Oh, nice one, brother, nice one. Yeah, I saw you taking a long there yesterday. Let me show it. There you go. That's a beautiful one. When I saw you taking that trade, I'm like, yeah, it does look good. And I saw the buyers coming in on Orderflow. I'm like, yeah, I think this one could play out very nice. So, well done, well done. Okay, so now you saying previous day value high. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, my friend. Previous daily value high. Did it? I don't think it did. Was it on futures? Maybe you mean? Ah, and futures, yeah. Previous day value, there you go. Mark it out as well. Let me check the fixed level on futures as well, see if it aligns. It's currently above it, so maybe the fixed value high of that range. Kinda aligns with the previous day. It's a little bit lower than previous day. Yeah, let's see. All I know is if I want to go short, I definitely need to see like a confirmation. But I might even take out the fixed value low right now and just keep the swing at this bottom. And for the fixed level, just keep that point of control. Because yeah, I'm not really sure if this level will hold for now. You never know. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. There's almost 270 of you guys here. We can easily reach 100 likes in the next 5 minutes. So smash that like button or thumbs up, because I know a lot of you guys will start pressing the heart, but it's the thumbs up, guys. It's this one here. You scroll down, boom, thumbs up. And also don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because we are halfway there to 4.4k, guys. It's crazy the way we've been just gaining subscribers here and growing every single freaking day. This is crazy. Near 5k indeed, man. Yeah, so let's mark out the swing as well, because I'm really interested in that. Maybe from this low could be interesting. Yeah, it's about the same thing. I actually would like to see the swing value high. Fiona, welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing. I would like to see the swing value high, and you can see there's not much volume here, so it could come for that quote-unquote gap fill. Juan, welcome to the stream, my friend. You can see already Kit. I already shared his scenario. I actually like this scenario, the early previous point of control, 4508, because it also aligns with the. I also like because it aligns with that fixed value low that I have there. You trade Shy USD with OANDA. I do the analysis on OANDA, but I trade both CFD and futures, and I'm using Vantage on a day-to-day basis. But the analysis for the CFD I do on OANDA, because it's the most liquid, or quote-unquote the one with the most volume, because we use volume profile, so that's why we have to have that good amount of volume. And of course futures, we do the analysis too. Empire Stake, welcome to the stream, my friend. Let me check the order flow here. Buyers are definitely trying to push the price higher right now. But it's in that view up, it could get rejected as well. Let's see. I'm gonna mark this level as a potential support zone, guys, for now. But if it breaks below, it could be used as a resistance. Oh, bitch. Since we have these 2 key levels here, I like to mark out in general, because you could do something like this and then push up instead of a clean rejection or a continuation. It could also be something like this. We offer copy trading on Vantage Social. As Gavin says, not copy trading, but we have a few bots here. Let me show it to you. There you go. That's the results only from yesterday from the bots. Look at that. And also this bot currently has a 2-year track record as well. And it's been crushing it, man. So this spot can be very nice to diversify your portfolio, man. It's been having some really good consistent results here. And again, as I said, it has a 2-year track record, so it's a really good one. Yeah, in order for it to get access to the bot, you have to be in the VIP, right? And Indian get VIP? Of course, we have a couple of Indians. Not couple, actually, many Indians. Tarun, welcome to the stream, my friends. We literally have Ronak, one of the beasts when it comes to the macro. We have Ankit that is crushing it. We have many other guys that are Indian. Okay, that's an interesting drop. Rejection from Vivo, yeah, as I said. Wow, this was nice. It's setting up interesting though, not gonna lie. Because if it closed below this support zone, I think it could be interesting. But the question will be that this is gonna have some hard time to break below. There's a lot of good levels here. Wait, the value high is here. Swing value high. Wow, so sneaky. I thought there wasn't any volume, but there is volume over there. No love for USA. We love USA, my brother. While we wait for Goldie to do its thing and move some a little bit more, I just want to give a quick warm welcome to our recently joined members in the VIP, Mahmoud Abdallah and Ronald. Really great to have you guys in the VIP. This is interesting right now. So many levels to watch for down here. Can I enter a wave without put the money in your affiliate broker? Sure, you can pay the one-time fee membership. That's great to hear, Chill. It's great to hear. Looking forward to see you inside the VIP. There you go. You can click on the link that is in the chat and can message our support there. But if you are in the free Telegram, which by the way we hit 16k, it's crazy, right? You need to click on the pinned message at the top and just DM our support here. And also you can read through this post of how you can get inside the VIP, what are you gonna get by joining in the VIP. And yeah, looking forward to see you guys there. Morning, Ben. How you doing, brother? Come on, fam. Smash that like button. Do me a favor. Do your boy a favor. Smash that like button. Let's reach 100 because I know it's easily achievable. Almost tapped into a fixed value low. How is this swing looking? Looks like it's holding so far from that point of control of the swing. If we didn't have the view up above, I really would have liked to long today. Let me look at the poll. 51% bullish, 36% bearish, and 13% rangy. What's up, Becky? Great to see you back. Let me know in the chat, what are you guys looking today? Drop a 1 if you're looking for long, and drop a 2 if you're looking for a short here. or at least today. Yeah, Dobry, crazy move. As soon as I was thinking about putting a limit buy, this guy just ooh, to the moon. 3 1 for an entire day. Okay, interesting interesting approach. I see a lot of twos. All right, let's see. Like for me, if he wants to be a 2, first of all, he needs to close below here. Second, there's gonna be a swing POC. It could bounce from here easily for a continuation. So definitely have to be below here for me to be like, okay, I'm gonna go for a bigger move instead of maybe if I short here, it would be just a quick scalp to the POC. Not much that room to short. I'll do it for the 4 hour. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do as well. How did I get the fixed POC? You are late, my friend. You are late. Be here on time, 8 p.m. New York. That's when I give my full analysis. There are so many levels that it prevent gold from coming down. That is true. That is true. That's why I said this level here, shorting from this level could be a little bit on the riskier side, but it could be a nice scalp. So maybe I'll give it a shot. Let's see. But if it's below the swing point of control, I think that's very interesting. So the swing from the whole move. The bottom is basically 1 hour before London Open till this high here.
Bring the baseline back around again.
$50-minute candle closure below New York low. I think it will dip down to the 4,500. New York low? Oh, New York high. Okay, okay. We're talking about futures. If we're talking about futures, then yeah, maybe closing below that one to 4,500, which would be here. Yeah, it's possible. It's basically below, gonna be below the 4,500 on spot. So basically below swing value low. So yeah, I agree with you. Could be. Could be the move today. Did I check the swing already? Okay, very interesting levels today. But if he wants to go for that monthly supply, it's gonna be at 40.5. It has some room. That's basically that fixed point of control. Yeah, that basically fixed point of control. Felix, appreciate you subscribing, my friend.
Bring the baseline back around.
Wenchful Space, you as well. Welcome to the stream. See a lot of new people joining in. Don't forget to smash that like button. Turn on the notification bell as well for the channel, so you don't miss out when we go live, because the streams are always scheduled beforehand. So I'm live here on a daily basis, Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. New York time. And if you're new here, feel free to ask any questions if you have any. Just don't need to spam, because we do not allow spammers here. Look at that, we reached 100 likes. Let's go, fam. Let's reach 150 right now. The question is if gold pull back. Yeah, let's see. It's a little bit on. So far holding from fixed value low. This analysis is awesome. Thank you for the breakdown review. Appreciate you, Adams. Thanks for the feedback. 15 is undervalued though, guys. Don't forget, 15 is undervalued. 30 is not there yet. 1 hour in the equilibrium. But 4 hour is overvalued. So if this guy comes out of the overvaluation, I think we're gonna go for a nice move, at least towards the 44.60-ish on spot. Let me check that 3 daily again. 3 daily is gonna be at 44.50. So yeah, I could go for that 44.50. Let me check on futures. What do we have down there? That's nice. No, the fixed range volume profile is the same as we use on the VIP. So 128 roll size and 70 value area. Let me double check on futures, see what we have here. Yeah, that is way lower. Ah, I forgot to check the current weekly level just to see where it's at right now. Yeah, that's way lower in case it drops more. He wants to drop. It's very nice right now. If you look at just the order flow, looks like it wants to drop. I'm not gonna lie. But there are again so many good levels here that it has to break below. That it can find support here. So first it's gonna be this aggressive buyers here, then it's gonna be another aggressive buyers down here, and then it's gonna be the trap sellers over there. So let's see, it's gonna be definitely definitely gonna be hard to break through. Want to see another push up from that swing value high? This one you mean, Batman? Or you have another swing value high? If I got it correct, price tends to go to the POC, rejects, or either continues in weekly volume profile, considered a more significant one to watch. I think you're focusing too much on the POC. It can work on all. It can work on the value low, value high, POC, on all. So it's not like one, only the POC it's gonna do that, but same with the value low and value high. It really depends on the context. Okay, let's see. We did tap into the first point of interest on the order flow right now. This one flips bullish, it's gonna be interesting. But the 4 hour is coming into closure. It's gonna be one of those days. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it'll be interesting, Batman. The swing value high, actually, if it taps there. I'm gonna keep it on the 15-minute time frame just to see how it's gonna play out. Again, based on the order flow, I wanted to short here, actually at this top here, but it had so many levels to break below. Nice drop. Hey JJ, just wondering if you could help me explain the difference between gold spot and gold futures, and if there's anything different I need to look out for all of them. So candle wise it's about the same, but price level might be different. Like for example, gold futures is at 45.61 and spot is at 45.03, right? So first of all, the CFD, as there's many other brokers, every broker can give you a different price level. On futures it's more centralized, so most of the quote-unquote prop firms or brokers gonna have the same price, but that doesn't mean one is better, one is bad, because I trade both, right? So it really depends on what you're gonna trade. I am always watching the CFD and futures, because sometimes the volume is a little bit different, the volume key levels, but sometimes the key levels align. And when the key levels align, that's when I know like there's a good chance that level is going to be very strong, right? And that's why I check always both. But like for example, it could be here a POC on futures, but not a POC here on CFD. But it could be a value or low from some other key level, or it could be a high volume node, low volume node. You can even backtest this one. Most of the time it aligns. It just might be a different key level or on a volume profile, but they always align. So that's why I like to look at both, just to have a better perspective, you know, instead of just being focused on one. Because sometimes it doesn't tap into the futures level but tap into the spot. Sometimes it doesn't tap to the spot level but tap into the futures key level. Swing value high. So let's see. Yeah, as I said, that fixed value low, I didn't thought it would hold like very strong. That's why my main focus is that swing value high. How did your trade win after you jumped off the stream last night? It was a loss because I didn't manage my trade. I had to work on my car, so I was like, yeah, just go, whatever. Either go TP or stop loss, I don't care. So yeah, that one ended up being the loss there. But the short after that was quite nice, like this one, after it failed. Oh, sorry. This one, I think it was, yeah. This short here. Win some, lose some, yeah, man, exactly. Previous day POC, it's about the same as swing if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's about the same. I think even on futures. Yeah, it's about the same. Always miss London session, too busy sleeping some good news. Nah. London is one of those sessions that it could be either very good or just choppy. So there's no in between. There's no in between for London. Whereas like Asia and New York there's a good chance it could be in between. Like it's not that bad, but it's not the best. But London is like either it's really good or it's just sideways. My prediction is that the price is gonna drop to 44.26 overall. Alright, let's see. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. That's gonna help us out as well. Morning, Solo Polo. How you doing, my friend? You said your live trade entry in the VIP. Yes, we do. So we have a process in the VIP. It's not some like random movements, and I'm gonna show it to you. First, we start with the news that Ronak posts, and always keep an eye if there's gonna be any important and major news on that day. Then we do a quick overview. We send the key levels to look for, like for example here. We talked about the NQ, called out the key levels, and then gold and the dollar, called out about every scenario, every reason why we are looking at that, the key levels to watch for. Then we give, as you can see, gold update, We talk about the key levels as well. Keep constantly updating people. Again, another update, what we are looking at, why we are looking at, and then entry triggered. So this entry, stop loss, TP, gold update, and you can see we just keep everybody updated whenever we are in a trade. And that was banger of a trade, as you can see. Beautiful trade, super beautiful. And of course I'm sending the video for the market analysis as well. Sorry, it's usually like a quick video, either it's gonna be like 2-3 minutes if I'm gonna be going over an asset for a longer time and explain like top-down analysis, could be a little bit longer, but always constantly updating you guys. This was literally on New York, called out this move. This was crazy. This move was crazy though. So we are constantly updating people inside the VIP. Good morning, Archibong. You are late, my friend. Be here on time, 8 p.m. New York. That's when I start the live stream. And that's when I give my full analysis. So don't be late. Alright, take care, and kids. See you in the VIP. Appreciate you as always, Yankov. I caught the video today and caught a good trade soon as I woke up. Awesome, Simon. Eben says I'm in a sell from 45.16. 45.16. Okay, nice one. Good entry, right around VWAP as well. Actually, very good. That's where I wanted to get in initially. But we had so many things to break first. There was like, nah. But that was nice. So, buyer's trap there. Boom. But you can see it didn't even close below that point of interest I have here. Breaking below this level will be very important. That's for sure. How much is the VIP? Click on the link in the description, join our free Telegram. It's free, as I said. Click on the pinned message at the top. You can read through this post of how you can get inside the VIP and what are the requirements and what will you get after joining in the VIP. Yes, it's not just 15 and 1 hour, also 4 hour closure, Joseph, on spot will be very important. So as always, I'm gonna mark out the 4 hour high, 4 hour low, because I want to see if this one will do some sort of swipe. I will wait for the closure to mark out the 4 hour low. By the way, we are 31 subs away from 4.4k, so smash that subscribe button, guys. Very nice pullback rejection from that fixed value low. Oh, not gonna lie, this would be interesting, this potential. But the swing value high is right around the corner. The risk to reward is just gonna be not good. There's gonna be a lot of trades that you will look, you're gonna be like, oh, looks good, but the risk to reward is not gonna be there. So it's really gonna be up to you if you wanna take it or not, but personally I wanna wait for the 4-hour closure because I know there's gonna be some more volatility coming in, as always. You'll be looking in for buy for 44.86. Yeah, I agree with you. If it gets rejected from that swing POC, I would be looking for buy as well, for sure. No doubt. Like a rejection here, I would be buying this thing, no doubt. After this push, a lot of people think that it has to drop, and that's the best chance to trap the sellers. Yeah, exactly. Like, yes, of course, it's gonna correct this move, but a lot of people are like, oh, it's gonna correct the move now. Oh, it's too overextended. I'm gonna short. Yeah, buddy, keep shorting. Especially gold, when it picks a direction and goes, oh man. Pullbacks are small, just like this. And then only God knows when it's gonna do a deeper pullback. If you ask one more time buy or sell, I will time you out, bro. I've been explaining what I'm looking at, so if you ask one more time, I will time you out. This is your second warning, there won't be a third one. You're just here for a signal, you ain't even paying attention, so I don't care if I time you out. Just being honest. Got effed up so many times after this move, after this big move, trying to counter trade. Yeah, man, same. I have a feeling gold is gonna come down crushing when 4-hour opens. I wouldn't doubt, bro. Same thing that I'm looking at. I wouldn't doubt. But if the 4-hour comes down and swipe the lows and then push up, then yes, that would be interesting for a long. Anything about fixed value or low. Let's say 40-second. Yeah, 1 hour looking like it wants to drop, not gonna lie. Give him the 86,000 seconds to think about it. They always ask but they don't want to learn something. Exactly. I give one warning. Today I'm a little bit more on a chill side, so I'll give him 2 warning. Usually there's not gonna be second one. Yeah, okay, let's see. 4-hour low is here. Now we're gonna see some crazy ass stuff. Boom, boom to the upside. Okay, it did close below down, so I'm gonna delete this one for now. Did it sweep the 4-hour low? Not really, right? Yeah, not really swept the lows, but let's see. Again, if swing value high wasn't there, I would be willing to take the short here. Short here, target the fixed, swing POC would be perfect, like literally perfect. But again, swing value high is there, so it could easily come down, swipe that low, tap into the swing value high and this low volume node, and then reverse. The fight for the buyers and sellers started. Yeah, man. Okay, 4 hour low is taken. Now tap into that swing value high, because I know you want to tap there and gets rejected. Come on, baby. Wouldn't be surprised if he taps into that zone as well. Whoa! Okay. Okay, I guess. GG to the guy that was a short in here. Good job, bro. Again, as I said, I wanted to short here as well from fixed value low, but swing value high is right there, man. Wow, look at all these sellers, man. That is crazy. Yeah, I think it could go for this level now. Holy. Wow, that is one big drop. Not crazy drop, but like the volume is there, that's for sure. I mean, look at this. That's a lot of sellers. Still going. Yeah, I think it's gonna go for that level. On 5 minutes, it would be these big buyers. Yeah, big sellers. Yeah, I think it could go there. It's not that far off, anyways. I think it aligns with the POC, kinda. Yeah. What about this range? 1.5. Value high should be around here, I believe. Come on, trading view. Oh, POC is above. Interesting. That is one nasty drop. That is one nasty drop, my friends. Awesome, Eben. Looking forward to see you there. Come on, a little bit lower. Tap into that level and then flip bullish. Now retesting the fixed POC of that range. For you scalpers, you guys probably would love this one. I know you don't want to drop to this level. Come on. Trading with you gets easier, win or lose. I believe you should do more than one session. Yeah, you believe, but I'm not a robot, bro. I want to do more than one session, but it's gonna be tight schedule for me. Maybe I'll do it in the future, but even if I do New York, it's not gonna be every day. Because as soon as I get off to the stream, I just have to sleep basically to get ready for the Asia session. Yeah, I know you wanna drop more. I can feel it. I know you wanna drop more. Come on, give the last push here, because I know you want to drop to this level, bro. I just feel it. On the bubbles, there's a lot of sellers, trapped sellers from yesterday. Okay. Downtown China. Down Chinatown. Yeah. I mean, look at all the sellers. Thinking about opening a short here. Good luck, bro. I think it could drop more. I'm not gonna say it could drop a lot, but just pay attention to that 4486.7. That's the swing point of control. Let's see if we can use support here that we had as a resistance. Oh damn, that would have been a fast trade from fixed value that I mentioned. Would have been to the pip. But sometimes I don't like to risk it, guys. Same move that happened here would have been the other way around. Nice, fam. We are 29 subs away from 4.4k. Smash that subscribe button. And if you're new here, just say what's up in the chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I don't know, man. You manage your own trades, but if you want to hold it, just either put the stop loss on break even or take some profit and let the rest run. How would you compare the free order flow on Tradovate compared to Bookmap? First of all, on Tradovate, it's not free. I know if you have a prop firm, you can access to it, but it's technically not free because you're paying. And if you have a personal account on Tradovate, you still have to pay for the membership. So there's no such thing as a free order flow. If there is, I haven't seen. But the difference between Bookmap and Tradovate is that you have that heat map. Basically, you can see the orders below or at the top. Whereas Tradovate, you can mainly see the exact moment of buyers and sellers stepping in. We can see the footprint, which is already like very good amount of information to have. Morning, Miha. Morning. How you doing? Yeah, now it's in a no man's land. Now I want to see either a push down to the swing point of control for a reversal, or just pull back to the swing value high. And if it does gets rejected, it can there's a better chance it could go for that swing point of control. And of course, if it goes above, yeah, it could go for that 4-hour high. But based on the 4-hour valuation, if this one comes out of the overvaluation, I think we're gonna have a little bit of a bigger pullback. At least maybe 44.50, as I said. I think that was the 3 daily. 44.50, yes. Morning, Felix. Great to see you here, my friend. Colors are still there, yeah. I can feel it. It could go tap this level here. There's another one here. This is also very important. But first I want to watch this one. Did run like 24, 25 more likes. Let's freaking go, fam. Smash that like button. Don't be lazy. Not the heart button, but the thumbs up. $4,500 and $4,508 are the key levels. Not just that one, the 44.86 too, the swing PLC. Why can't we analyze on fixed range while purple on GC? You can. I'm doing on both. I'm looking at both, guys, not just one. But at the moment, I have the same key level, so. What do you mean? What is the gap between SHA USD and MGC? What do you mean by that? Okay, barcode mode is on. Barcode mode is on. That's a nice top wick if this one flips bearish. You were going to say the week. Let's see if this swing POC can hold as a potential buy zone. Again guys, if you're new here, I don't jump in blindly when it taps to the buy zone. We have our entry models here that I like to see. We have to see the rejection and all this stuff. The valuation as well. That would be a nasty bottom wick on the 4 hour if this one flips bullish. So far it's bar coding, so let's see. If you enter at 4,500 gold, you have to just look at the price action, bro. It doesn't have to be like exact level. Like if you see the key level is here at the top, so for now this one aligns, but you can see it's about the same. Don't fixate on the number here, fixate on the chart. But as Ronak said, the Shao USD is the spot chart and MGC or GC is the futures chart. A lot of new people joining in. Great to have you all here. Almost 300 of you guys here. First of all, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when we go live. And if you're new here, my name is Ryu. I trade with volume profile, higher time frame, supply and demand, and order flow. And I'm live here Monday through Friday, 8 PM New York time. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. We're close to 150 likes, so okay, swing value high tapped. Let's see. Ooh, buyers are stepping in now. Okay, interesting stuff. Hi, first time here. Great to have you here, Sasha. I hope I'm saying your name right. Great to have you here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. What's up, Naji? Great to see you, my friend. How you've been? Again, if it goes above that fixed value low, it'll be interesting to take the long there. Especially if the 4-hour flips bullish. If 4-hour flips bullish, reclaim the fixed value low which is what I'm looking at. That could be an interesting one to target those highs, the 4-hour high at 45.23. If not, then this could be the continuation from here. So far 5-minute came out of undervaluation, 15 still there. Even if I want to enter here targeting the swing POC, I mean the risk to reward is not that bad, but not the best looking setup for sure if I want to short there. Look at the 10-minute. What's there in 10-minute? Oh, nice rejection. Nice rejection. Was this from a value high? Yes. Not surprised. Nice fam, we are 8 likes away from 150. Smash that like button. That low volume node is holding, right, Ronak? The low volume node we talked about. It's a little bit lower right now, but it could hold though. It could hold from there. Swing value low, interesting. Liquidity above 4-hour high, perfect. Short after sweeping. Yeah, for sure. Friday, Lucid is a prop firm, so there's no such thing as Lucid has a trading view. Lucid is a prop firm that you can trade on Tradovate, for example, but you can connect your Tradovate to TradingView. Monique says, do you trade for value gaps? Nope, I don't use them. Come on fam, 2 more likes still, 150, let's freaking go. And 24 subs away from 4.4k. The growth is crazy. Alright, let's see. He wants to close below right now. Did the buyers here? This could be a nasty short here. Not gonna lie. Like something like this. NX says, hello guys, just tuning in. Are we bearish or bullish? Make sure to be here on time, my friend. We start the analysis at 8 PM New York time. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss out when we go live. Question is if it's actually to connect Tradovate to trading view. No. Do you trade Fibonacci retracement? Nowadays I would say no, but I used to trade with Fibonacci. Nowadays, no. Do you hold any crypto? Sometimes I just buy mainly Bitcoin and just hold it. But mainly I trade with supply and demand when I want to hold it for a longer time, right? I usually go like 2 to 10% overall for a gain. Whenever I hit my target, I just close it and just keep compounding, like every 2%, every 3%, 5%. That's an interesting 1 hour right now. That is a very interesting 1 hour getting rejected here. I'm starting to become more favoring longs right now. Not gonna lie, guys. From swing value high, it reclaimed the swing value high right now. Maybe something like this. Maybe, right? I've been holding Bitcoin since start of the COVID 2019. Nice one. Made 5k off of 180 from Shiba Inu. Let's see where this one will close. This is getting interesting. Yeah, not the closure I was looking for. Okay. What was this nasty volume out of nowhere? Tap into these buyers and get rejected and drop because didn't really close above like I wanted to. Buyers are stepping in again. long above the 5-minute highs above here, you mean? Yeah, I agree. I agree. But buyers are failing again. Right now it's just going sideways on 5. Just playing ping pong, bar coding. Is that like a 1-minute RBRD probably? Come on. Yeah, look at the value high. Oh yeah, this one has a better potential to drop if this 5-minute closes like this. Not there yet for me, not there yet. Starting to get choppy, which I don't like it. Did it reclaim that PLC? I don't know why. It's telling me, wow, almost tapped into it. It did tap to the value high of that range though. But again, very choppy at the moment. This move was nice, again, as I said, that short from VWAP. It's quite nice. Okay, trying to flip bullish now, 50 seconds before the closure. Interesting. Very interesting, but not there yet. Not there to, not yet ready to fly yet. Buy stop at 502.6. Awesome, my friends. Good luck. Yeah, I do want to enter something like that too, like with this low taken out on the flip here, something like this, but I haven't seen buyers being successful yet. Choppy, very choppy right now. 15 looks juicy though. 15 looks juicy for a drop, but risk to reward is not there. Unless you want to go for a 1-to-1, it can work. It's scalp short, what do you think about? I think it's interesting depending on where you target. I see that buyers can't really push the price higher, so yeah. If I want to be scalping, I would take a short here too. So I'm 100% with you. I might take it though. Let's see. I might go for it. I see a lot of sellers stepping in, bro. Gonna go half risk if I go, for sure. Entry at the below, stop above the high, this high, very tight stop loss. I was scalping already at 45.09. Yeah, cool, bro. Awesome. Buyer stepping in right now. Let me check here. Here so far looks good. I might go for it. Unless this one flips bullish, then yes, I will not get it. Cause I agree with Batman. If this one flips bullish, we're gonna push a little bit higher. So that's why I haven't got in yet, guys. I put the limit order, but I'm not in yet. But I might cancel it if this one flips bullish. So don't forget to manage your own trades. At the chart, how do you know there's a lot of sellers stepping in? It's literally here. A lot of absorption of sellers? I don't agree. I don't agree. It's not absorbed yet. Maybe 1 to 5, 1.5. Let's see. I will keep monitoring this one closely. Decent closure. Decent closure. Big move incoming, maybe? Maybe. I would love to see a tap into that swing POC before making a bigger move. Oh man, if this one flips bearish. Let's see, if this one flips bearish, it's good. If it doesn't flip bearish, all the sellers will be at the bottom, which is not good. So again, that's why I went half risk on this trade. Yes, I'm just gonna go for a 1-to-1 Miha, because it's very tight at the moment due to the swing POC there. Maybe 1.5 if I want to go for more. I'll be 1.5. Should be 2.5, no? Am I tripping? Yeah, this should be, yeah. This one should be 2.5. There we go. Yeah, that's the 2.5. Sorry, 1.5. Full TP will be down here. A little bit lower than the swing point of control, and if we find support, I'm willing to take the long from here. Sellers are struggling at the bottom again. Definitely need to close below this level here. Those aggressive buyers from the back too. That should be at those high. As you can see, I took this trade on my Vantage account as well. So let's see if we can hit TP on this baby. What is IFKYK? It means if you know, you know. That's why we put the candle pull over there, the image, and then we put if you know, you know. If you know, you know. It has to be this side. Not the worst closure, but also not the best closure. I like that it flipped bearish and closed bearish. So this one tapping into this one here now, and then I want to see it drop, and then a boom, an aggressive push down. That's what I want to see. Yes, I am in this trade, guys. I've shown you guys on both futures and on my Vantage there too. Merrick, appreciate you subscribing. Welcome to the stream, my friend. We are 20 subs away, guys. 20 subs away from 4.4k. Yeah, 15-minute closure. It could pull back to this point of control once before dropping, potentially, right? Sira, welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing. Waiting for Fabio Valentini's push. Don't worry, I'll do it. Tap here and then push to the downside. An aggressive push down, bro. If it breaks below these aggressive sellers that got trapped yesterday, oh my days, it could drop more. If we didn't have that swing POC here, I would have holded this trade for very much longer, at least towards this low at 44.72. But again, I don't want to be risky because cool, if it bounced from here, I'll take the long, and if it goes below here, I'll re-enter and I enter another short. At least I can book some profit here and then decide what I want to do after. Do you think it will accelerate move down if it reaches 44.91? It looks like strong sell zone from where sellers are trapped right there. 44.91. I don't think it will accelerate because that's where the sellers got trapped, so that actually is a good support zone, not a good continuation. Unless it closed below, then yes, very good. It could use this as a resistance instead of support.
Bring the baseline back around again.
Come on, whoosh. More. Where's the volume? We need that massive candle to the downside, straight to our TP. Because I know you want to drop right now, baby. I just know you want to drop right now. Come to Papa, come on. If it goes below this area, I would be really more confident this could drop more. I wouldn't say like super confident because we still have those massive trap sellers at the left, which is oh, wrong one. Oh, ho ho, told you. Now you can do the whoosh to the downside. Now I allow you to drop. Now I allow you to drop, baby. Told you. Let's go. Almost there, fam. Is my TP there? Yeah. 44.85. 44. 84.9. Yeah. That's a good closure. That's a very good closure. No way, Batman. Are you serious? Oh, you're funny, Batman. You are funny, my friend. I just checked it out. It is what it is, bro. This one still could push up because just tapped into that area of interest that I had, or point of interest. But there is another one below it, so it could get rejected. I won't be happy too. I won't be satisfied too early. But I know you want to give another push down. So just give it to me right now. Right now. You see? I know this candle is gonna teleport straight to our TP right now. Give it another 1 minute. It's gonna teleport. Come on, now it's your time to shine and drop like we've never seen before. Where we at right now? Yeah, I think I will move my stop loss on break even because I don't want to risk it, to be honest. I'm in a good amount of profit. Doesn't make sense for me to hold for a long time. So risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free trade. Okay, I know what should I do for it to drop. Boom, boom, boom. One more time just in case. What's up, Ratnani? Welcome to the stream, my friend. You may drop now, my friend. You were late, but you're in a trade. Alright. Joseph says I'm not in this trade, but I'm doing the candle pull that I can enter next trade. Damn, Batman. Shots fired. Shots fired. There you go. Told you it's gonna teleport. Let's freaking go. Almost there. Wow, that's a big amount of sellers. That is very big amount of sellers. Come on, baby. Hit my TP. I'm gonna trail this shit because I know this is gonna play around most likely. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. There you go, fam. Big W's in the chat. TP hit both on futures and spot or CFD on my Vantage. Beautiful trade, beautiful momentum. Perfect TP, look at that. Beauty. Beautiful. 1.5 R done. How much was this? 106 pips. There we go. Quick momentum trade, boom, done, scalp, don't be greedy, out. So, let's see, if the 15-minute close above the swing point of control, I'm not willing to hold this trade here. GG fam, GG. Amazing. Post something here. Carl, appreciate you subscribing. Welcome to the stream. Let's see if we can reclaim the swing cone of control for me to take this one. Alright, so sorry I was posting quickly something. I'm done with this. Give me a moment. Another screenshot. Done. And I want to keep this one something like this. I want to watch the 15 minute. If this 15 minute fails to close below swing POC, this could be an interesting long here, guys. So 15 is closing in 1 minute. If it can find support at the swing POC, then yes, I'm willing to take this long right here on the break. Wow, that TP though, that TP was juicy. That TP was absolutely juicy. That's a good push. But if I want to take this one, I want to see the next 15 minutes tapping into this area here. If it doesn't tap, I'm not gonna take it. Come on, baby, almost there. Tap into that area, bro. That looks very juicy to take, not gonna lie, guys. But I need to see that level getting tapped. If not, this is gonna just slash through the downside, most likely, before going up. Ooh, nice push, bro. Again, I'm gonna stick to my plan because I know this could easily snap back in at any time. I've seen this pattern many times. But oh man, I'm still in love with this TP here. Not because of the trade, because of the TP placement. Oh man. Adams says, Ryu, I've been on numerous trading streams. This is by far the best. Breakdown, analysis, education, explanation, and high win rate is the real bonus. The Syndicate is gonna go. Appreciate you, my friend. Really appreciate you for the feedback. Oof, those sellers got trapped crazy down there. These sellers down here, man, 375 contract in one. If you combine all of this, that's like over 500 contract. It is what it is, bro. I was waiting for that extra confluence, but if you guys took it, W. Let me know in the chat who took this trade this long here. I think it's going back to view up. Potentially, yes, I agree with you. Maybe even the first band. Potentially, where is that? Yeah, it's at it right now. Awesome, awesome, Papa Z. Okay, post your wins in the winning trade because I will go through it. As you can see, Yasin already posted. Big W for you. Amazing. Simon as well. Of course, Mr. Yusuf has to be here. This guy is fucking crushing it. Look at that. W42, my friend. Nice. Amazing. Ooh, we would have been almost at 1 hour. Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna stick to my plans because there's this level here that definitely can be a interesting resistance, but it doesn't care. But it doesn't care if you took it. Well played, bro. All I'm gonna say is well played. I'm happy if you took it. But yeah, it's very obvious it would push, but like crazy, because when big amount of sellers are trapped or exhausted like this, so much more obvious you could push up. But told you that buy zone, that swing POC 44.86, absolutely beautiful, man. Took it, great shoot, brother. Awesome base. Amazing, my friend. Thank you, Yankov. Yeah, same. I wanted to enter too, but it left. Would have been a nice 1-to-1 as well. But woo, TP placement, man. I'm not even happy about the trade. I'm even happy about the TP placement. Oh, I see some 86,000 second timeout coming. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm just observing atoms. I'm just keeping my eye on them. Papa Z says, secured half restaurant on BE. Big W today, back-to-back win for the first time. You real G, man. Awesome, my friend. Awesome, awesome. When Asia is good, Asia is super good. Like 2 months ago, I think it was around 2 months ago, there was a day on Asia that I took 5 trades like this, back-to-back reversal. Man, that day I made such a good amount of money. Such a good day. But days like this happen, man. Sometimes Asia is freaking nice. Take that quick momentum, then the reversal, then you can take another reversal. But the volume has to be there, right? It's not gonna be like that easy. Too much aggression from the buyers, not even one pullback on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's why I said if I would have taken this long, I wouldn't go for a big risk to reward, either 1-to-1 or just targeting that swing value high, which would be like 1.3, 1.2-ish. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy because, yeah, it got rejected from that point of interest, as I said. If it wants to continue higher, it has to close above this level. And again, same level, aggressive sellers got freaking wrecked. Same place as yesterday. So that's why I decided to think about the long here. We also had the key level, which was swing POC. Thank you, Stefan. Thank you for the feedback, my friend. That's what I'm doing today. 200 pips, TP, 100 plus 100. Yeah, Joseph, it's that compounding effect, you know. Because if you wanted to hold this trade, this is where if somebody entered here, I think it was Peter or someone. As I said, I wanted to enter too from the view up. This is a place where you would have holded your trade. This is where it's good to risk and hold the trade. Not like here that it already made good amount of the move and you want to hold it for longer, because it could be a break even. You see, if you would have entered on the view up, which I was thinking too, cool, take some profit, let the rest run. Would have been easy. What is that, 4R? 3.5R. Do you also do live trading on another session? Made $52 on the short. That's awesome, Stefan. For now, just Asia, Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. New York. But thinking about bringing back the New York session, but because we used to trade New York as well. We still trade New York. We don't just do live session on New York. We are super active inside the VIP for London and New York. Look at that, beautiful Batman, beautiful. A quickie, as you might say, a quickie. Yeah, you can rewind the stream and look that I said, if this one drops, cool. Tapping into that swing POC, there's could be a quick potential support zone there. What happened? Immediately after pushed up, already made, oh come on man, why are you like this? Already made, pushed up like 121 pips. I understand something different with quickie. Yeah, it depends on how you put it. Be a quickie or quickie TP. Both can work. If you know, you know. Truly, OT says, hey, really loved today's stream, today's session. Been a little overwhelming, so I didn't take any trades. Wish I did, but it's all good. I've been learning a lot. You have made me much better trader. Thanks so much, man. That's an awesome message. Really appreciate the feedback, my friend. Yeah, there's gonna be days that move happens and you can't really take the trade. It happened to me many times, and it even happened this week, right? A lot of people took the trades that I've been calling out, but some of them I missed because I don't know, I missed for some reason. I was waiting for this, maybe for that, for something else, for that extra confluence, and ended up not taking whatever the reason could be. It's just you don't have to think about it, because I know the next trade is gonna probably just go on your head and be like, oh, I did this and that, so I'm gonna do the decision based on the previous trade. No, every trade is different, so you have to take the decision for every trade differently. So just don't put it in your mind that you missed out on a trade. Maybe you start having FOMO. So if you start having FOMO, just close the charts. That's gonna be the best case scenario. Stop spamming please, Rehan. If not, I will time you out. I will show the settings soon. W trades, I'm slowly learning more and more. That's awesome, JLo. That's awesome, my friend. Mother effer out here flirting with charts. You already know, bro. You have to seduce gold. Because if not, gold wants to seduce you. So you have to seduce it back. You have to be like this with gold. Awesome to see you, Kimberly. Okay, I'm gonna time you out because I told you to stop asking. I will show you. 86,000 second. No time for. Alright, take care, Batman. Take care, Peter. Thanks for joining me. Don't worry, Adam. Don't worry, Adam. I already took care of it. 86,000 second. Mia, appreciate you subscribing. Welcome to the stream. A few days ago, I said I got $100 in my account, and I asked about getting 400 account. Well, I took the longest trade, and I'm off 500. That's great, bro. It's great, man. How many more trades you taking tonight? Depends on the market. I cannot decide. If there's gonna be more opportunity, I'm gonna take it. Like this one, I missed out because I wanted to see a little bit of a more pullback for that extra confluence on the order flow to take in that trade because the sellers got wrecked here. Alright, take care, Joe. Catch you in the VIP, my friend. Masses, amazing scalp trade, slow but sure, guys. If you haven't taken any trade, don't beat yourself off. Opportunities are there and you're there. For sure, man, exactly. Just like how people were saying they were in a short. I'm like, cool, bro. That's great for you, you know. I'm not gonna chase the trade. If I see the potential move, I'm gonna take it, you know. But for now, I see a potential drop at the moment, unless this 15-minute flips bullish. But if not, I see a potential of a drop right now. Not a crazy drop, but a little bit of a drop. Alright, take care, Simon. Catch you in the VIP, my friend. Losing a trade is a part of the game. As long as you manage your risk, you will be okay. Exactly, man. Exactly. Like whenever I'm in a winning streak like crazy, like literally the beginning of the August and end of July, I was in a crazy streak, right? Like TPs left and right every freaking session. Everybody were happy, right? Like a couple days ago, took one loss. You already started to see some emotional people because they think that they will win all the time, which is not true. If they want to think about that, about trading like that, they're just gonna get wrecked. Awesome, Omra. Don't forget, if you're in a VIP, sorry, in the free Telegram, there you go. That's the setting for the volume profile. And if you want to know more about volume profile, and we have a quick video that we will share soon. But if you're interested to see that video, join the free Telegram and drop a fire emoji. So we will send the video right after that. So at least okay, give me a moment. maybe this week is good, but so far no significant losses, only W's. Yeah, this week I would say Omar, still not my best week at all. Like, yeah, I've made good profit, but not my best week. I had weeks that I made some crazy profit on the stream, by the way. Omar says what I'm learning from Ryu and the VIP is that sometimes it is wiser not to jump at every possible entry, and this was my main problem. Bad entry timing. Yeah, man. Yeah, there you go. That's the pullback I talk about. There you go. Didn't I said that literally 1 minute ago? There you go. Yeah, it was too obvious it's gonna go for a pullback. Let me quickly do something here, guys. By the way, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because we are 1 sub away from 4.4k, guys. So don't forget to smash that like button as well, and let's reach 200 likes. Alright, so comment committed if you will be here for tomorrow's stream, 8 p.m. New York time, and I want to see if you guys will be here on time as well. Awesome, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, nice. A lot of you guys are committed. This is what I like to see. Awesome, awesome. I want to see at least 100 people here waiting when I'm starting the stream, because as you guys know, lazy people don't get rewarded, and if you are here on time as always, you always get rewarded. Awesome, awesome. Big W's in the chat, or as Drake says, big W's in the chat, because we reached 4.4k. Freaking amazing. Just growing, just growing. This is, by the way, the last 28 days. The results are crazy. Big W. I like that one. I like that one. Awesome, awesome. Look at that, look at that. This is why compounding is gonna be the best thing, because as I said, this trade either I would go for targeting the swing value high or 1R, which 1R would have hit, so I would have caught another 1R plus 1.5, so I would have been up 2.5R already. So there's no need to catch the bigger moves always. So I think today was really good. That trade was nasty. Oh man, look at that TP placement. Now I'm thinking about the long here. Right now it's in a no man's land. Either it comes down, gets rejected one more time for a long, or just close above swing value high to go for that higher. Here I don't know if I would take any long or either a short, because it's in the middle of nowhere for me personally. Yep, for sure, man, for sure. So yeah, mark out the swing value high and swing POC and watch for those levels. So swing value high at 4500.731 and swing POC 4486.719. It could also do a failure, close below or close above continuation, same thing here or like this. So it really depends. Alright, catch you in the VIP, Yasin. Thanks for joining us as always. I'm using dip chart. It shows as it is as a daily POC from 18 o'clock EST to now. Alright. Thank you for letting me know. See what's gonna happen right now. Volume dried out so far. It went from 3 points, almost 7k, 1.5, 1k, 2.3, 1.7 to not even 900. What's my view? Rewind the stream like 1 minute because I already explained to NXT that he asked. So rewind the stream, I just explained what I'm looking at. Alright, take care, King. See you in the VIP, my friend. I got another one on the retest. Thanks, JJ. You're an inspiration. Cheers, bro. Awesome, Miha. Awesome, great to hear that. That's awesome. Da Vinci, great to see you, my brother. Of course, I got you, bro. Da Vinci is one of the OGs here. Now that the gold is not doing anything, we hit TP. Maybe we have some fun with the musics here. Let me put some more energetic musics here. See a lot of you guys still here. Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys took the gold trades with me today as well. Because I see a lot of you guys took it, so... Patience paid off, man. Patience paid off, bro. Move happened, pull back, saw the momentum building up. Looked at the order flow. And we took that trade. You missed? No worries, brother. There's gonna be more opportunities. Time to sleep for me. Thanks again, JJ. See you tomorrow. You have a great day. Alright, take care, Amy, huh? Catch you tomorrow. 1 on the sell trade. Awesome. Yeah, same. That's the only trade I took today. But my initial trade would have been, of course, the VWAP, but I missed it out. But this is what I was looking for. This. But I'm glad I was able to be patient, just wait for my setup to play out, and yeah, caught that extra momentum here. It was so clear, like sellers pushed the price down, they've kind of exhausted here, got exhausted here, but then buyers tried to take back in control. As you can see, buyers didn't really, like, they were able to push the price higher, but as you can see, they couldn't close above this level. Like, buyers stepped in here, this one closed bearish, pushed up again, buyers at the top, and then closed bearish. When I saw these sellers here, I'm like, yeah, this one was the extra confluence. Literally, that's why I took the trade, as you can see. So, as I said, I trade with what I see, bro. If I see enough buyers getting trapped, sellers stepping in, I'm gonna take the momentum. If it fails, it fails. That means that the buyers probably took control again down here, so... 1 loss. What's it gonna do to me? Is it gonna kill me? No. Unless I'm gonna be full porting, like some of the guys. Then they cried about that they lost an account. Nice. Yeah, as you can see, volume dried out, man. Volume dried out, so just mark out the swing value high, swing POC for now, because this could be a no trade for me for now. No trade zone. Well, more like this, right? More like this, because it could come down, fails, and then continue up. Then I take the trade here. So that's why I said at the moment this is a no trade zone for me until it does some bigger move. No, this is not deep chart, this is Tradovate. So as you can see, Tradovate, it's a futures broker, but you can have access to the order flow here. If it comes back to the buy zone, do you think there will be enough volume for push? I'm just range still on now. Well, I cannot tell you if there's gonna be more volume, because nobody knows. But what I would pay attention, if we have a nasty drop, like not nasty but at least aggressive, and maybe take out these lows, try to close below, but really fails, and then reclaim the swing point of control. That's when I like to take the reversal back to this range here. But if it creeps down slowly, close below a 1 hour, a 30 minute, a 4 hour, whatever, then I think there's a better chance we could drop. Especially with the 4 hour, I believe, yeah, it's almost coming out of the overvaluation. So depending on this 4 hour closure in the next 2 hours and 25 minutes, easily the next 4 hour could make a top wick and then drop below and start to create that momentum here. That's an ugly candle. That looks like a bean. But yeah, I think I can expect the easily drop to 44.50, which is that 3 daily demand, if the momentum starts to build, right? So anything below swing point of control could be interesting for shorts. Go focus on gold. I barely drank my coffee here. I have to have a morning coffee. You guys prefer coffee or tea? Let me know in the chat, because I know a lot of guys like coffee. Some people prefer tea. I like both, but coffee for me is my daily routine. It has to be there. And if you like coffee, let me know if you guys like dark coffee, or I don't know, more sweet coffee. I don't know, both depending on the mood. Yeah, for me both as well, but in the morning it has to be coffee. It has to be. You prefer chai? What's up, Omar? Great to see you. Americano, coffee, sweet with milk. Okay. Fraps. Okay, you like fraps. Espresso, yeah. Real bad man. Oh, in Nigeria, you guys like more tea. Is it just you, or in general in Nigeria, people prefer more tea? Because a lot of countries have different kind of drinks that they prefer. Like for example, in Brazil they prefer more coffee, right? In Iran they prefer more tea. In Turkey as well they prefer more tea. You want to learn from strategy? Click on the link in the description. Join our free Telegram. And when you join our free Telegram, in case you want to join the VIP, click on the pinned message at the top. Read through this post of how you can get inside the VIP and what are the requirements and what you will get by joining the VIP as well. And I'm live here on a daily basis, Monday through Friday, 8 PM New York time, so make sure to be here on time so you can catch the analysis. In Kenya we like tea. Alright, in Pakistan tea as well. I'm from Nigeria, they take milkshake, that's it. Alright, alright. You guys prefer more tea. Alright, alright, interesting. Yeah, just like in Japan, they prefer more like green tea, right? Which is terrible. I don't like it. 2 sugar and milk. Prefer dark coffee. I used to drink way more like sweet coffee. Nowadays I'm more like, yeah, bitter is better. Drinking Mozambique silver tea. Silver tip. white tea and freshly ground crema beans coffee. Alright. I'm so focused in the trade, I almost read it. Mozambique silver TP. Where are you from? I'm mixed. I'm Brazilian, Japanese, and Iranian. You ever had matcha? It tastes like grass. Yeah, bro. I tried it once because everybody was like, "Oh, matcha is good. Green tea is good. Matcha. Every place you would look, they would talk about matcha." I'm like, oh, let me see what's the hype about. I drank it. I'm like, this tastes like shit. I don't know how people like this. I'm like, this is hyped for no freaking reason, bro. Pankaj, welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing. You need a face reveal? Oh yeah, we do. Don't worry. We'll do that soon. I'm not scared of showing my face, it's just I don't have any cam right now. I need to get a webcam. Who would like to see the face reveal? Yeah. Are you on Insta? Yeah, I have an Instagram, but it's mainly about cars. But I will be creating a new Instagram that I will be only sharing about the trading perspective of my life, like in general. We need to see the genius that Ryu is. Oh bro, all you're gonna see is just a guy with a 16-year-old face. I'm 25, but I look 16. Rudresh, appreciate you subscribing. Welcome to the stream. When we'll be here, 30k people, are you gonna be scared of trading? No, not at all, because I don't care what people says. I'm gonna trade what I trade, and if they not gonna like it, they're not gonna watch it, and I don't give a shit. I've seen your video, bro. The way you explain is so damn cool. Yeah, it depends. We have the pages that our team is also creating the content, because I don't have time to create the content, of course. If not, I wouldn't be trading here, because unless like a lot of fake gurus, I'm actually a real trader. I trade every day. Show us your face so we know for sure you're not AI. Currently you are too good to be a human. You are AI for now until you see the face. Alright, have you seen an AI roasting the people the way I roast? I don't think so. That's something. I'm better than AI. Roasting people, roasting the haters. AI cannot never replace my job with that. He might replace my job with trading, but never with roasting. And AI is not gonna have the humor that I have. I mean, just subscribe. Awesome. Go Waves. Great to see you on the stream, my friend. I'm live here on a daily basis, Monday through Friday, 8 PM New York. So looking forward to see you every day here. Instead of saying hey Siri, we're gonna say hey Ryu. Ah, that's funny. Hey Ryu. Hey, how can I help you? Can you give me a signal by yourself? Oh hell no, get the hell out of here. That's what I'm gonna tell you if I was an AI. I believe no AI can give the 86,000 left and right. Exactly, bro. Is AI really the future of trading? I don't know. I think the humans will still be in majority of the part, but like the automation part, maybe, I don't know, the analysis part or whatever, right? I think the AI will start to be implemented more by people. I don't think it's gonna replace like the humans when it comes to the trading, because it doesn't really make sense. Hey Ryu, what time is my doctor appointments? Hey Drew, the time that you have booked. If you don't remember, how I'm supposed to remember? Alright, take care Arthur. Take care my friend. Alright fam, I think I'm gonna call it here. Watch out for this key level that I have mentioned before. First is the swing levels. If you don't know where the swing levels comes, let me lower the music a little bit. Okay, the 50-minute. If you draw the swing from this low here to this top, you get the swing level. Boom, mark out the swing value high, swing POC, and watch for those levels, because it could easily fail to continue lower and show another buy potential, or close below for a continuation, close above swing value high for a continuation to the upside, targeting those highs, or same thing, fails and then continue to the downside. So far it's very choppy here, so I wouldn't be really happy to trade if there's no any aggressive swipe or failure off to the upside. If I want to trade back to this range here, if it breaks out, then of course it's so much easier to decide to take that continuation, right? So watch out for this level and then fixed value low of the whole range on the left on the 1 hour time frame. This range here, let me mark it out, this one, there we go. Watch out for that level. And for the rest of the people, I will catch you guys inside the VIP. I'm gonna be active there today, shared about the potential setups. If you haven't joined the free Telegram, the link is in the description. Join our free Telegram. And if you want to see the video for the volume profile, drop the fire emoji and we will post it as soon as we get a lot of reaction from you guys. And if you want to join to the VIP, click on the pinned message, read through this post of how you can get inside the VIP, because VIP, we have a full process over there. It's not random movements. We always start with a process. As you can see, start with the key levels, explain why we are looking at certain things and when to take action. We give updates, live updates of the market, as you can see, one after another one. Key levels, if there is any big movements, we update the key levels as well. And then if we take any trades, immediate update as well about the trade, exact stop loss that we are using, exact TP, and as you can see, follow up with the trade update. And many of the guys has been absolutely crushing it. This was from today, but this is from yesterday. Look at that. All you're gonna see is just wins. Look at that, 26k. The long, beautiful Dow Jones long, 2 in a day, 2. Amazing. Already in a trade before that move happened, so that was just boosted his TP. So For the guys that are not inside the VIP, I will catch you guys on tomorrow's stream. Make sure to be here on time, 8 p.m. New York. Because if you're here at the beginning, that's when I give my full analysis. And if you're not here, you're gonna miss out on this, and you're gonna be wondering. And there you go. If you are in the VIP, we just posted a message. If you want to access the VIP, DM the Syndicate support. And if you have a Vantage account already, message Vantage to the support. So as you can see, I use Vantage on my daily basis as well. I have my personal account on Vantage, so it's a broker that I use every single day. So don't forget, tomorrow's stream, I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right, have a good one, fam. Cheers.